Hello everybody. So as the title says, today is room tour. So since I did it last time, let's do it again. So yeah, I have no makeup, everything like I'm melting. It's around 40 degrees outside. So yeah, I'm in with my air conditioning because yeah, I think I would probably die. So without further ado, let's do it. So let's start with the door. So this is to the exterior, and actually, I have a lock. You know, we can see in a bathroom sometimes. So let's do the room part. So here is, like these have locks, and as you can see, the key is dangling here. If I had something like that would be very important, I could put it in there. And behind that nice painting is my library. So yeah, I have a couple of books, not too many. I just wanted to have something I could read. And here is the bedroom. So actually, this is my bed. That's pretty comfortable, I would say. And you're all gonna be jealous because, ta-da, it's lights up. Actually, as you can see, it's not like such a big deal of light, but just enough, to be wandering around without having to put like the big lights. So let's move on to the kitchen table. So actually, as you know, in Asia, people eat sitting down on the floor, and I don't know if I'm gonna use it that much for eating because it's a little bit low, but yeah, let's consider it the kitchen table with a nice witchy. Yes, you all saw that I have a Tim Horton ornament as decoration. Actually, all of these I put with Funtac because I'm not allowed to decorate or do anything that could change the way furniture and walls were when I arrived. So that's why I put Funtac. Here is the closet, which contain all of my clothes, and there's still some space. I'm really proud of myself. Don't have too many clothes. Also bags and some stuff that I wanted to put away. So let's go to the other side. Here are my luggage because, of course, this size of luggage doesn't go anywhere. So here could be both kitchen and living room, kind of. So all of my shoes go into the little closet, and there's a little closet to put some kitchen supplies. Also a little bit of supplies here, and as you can see, there's a kettle and my laptop. Yeah, I'm not sitting on the floor, of course. So here's my vanity. That's where I put all my makeup, skincare, and everything that isn't in the bathroom. And actually, this little stool is on wheels, so I can put it there when I use my computer. So, okay, let's go to the kitchen. So I have like a nice fridge. It's not that huge, but it's pretty much what I need. So everything is fine with this. And also I have a rice cooker, so that's also part of the kitchen. So here is the balcony where I left one pair of pants so you can see that my drying rack is pretty nice. And that's the kitchen sink. In Thailand, that's pretty normal to have your kitchen sink on the balcony. And here's the bathroom. Oh, you can see me. Hello. So, I have like a pretty nice shower. No, there's no shower curtain, but it's not really necessary. And as you can see, like the window, there's also no fan. So, the window is always open, and so there's no AC in the bedroom. So I have like toilet and the sink. That's pretty much a standard bathroom. So that's it. Here is a view of everything. I would say that's pretty nice. I pay around $150 a month for this room, and I can pretty much cook and sleep and entertain, so that's pretty okay with me. So see you next time.